Hey YouTubers, Civics Boy here, and I'm going to be doing a review of a computer build that I'm actually just finished doing. This video is actually going to go over the parts that I used, and I don't know, maybe a next video or in addition to this video I'll show you the actual build itself. But I'm just going to go over a few of the components that I used so you guys get an idea of the type of build this is. With this build I kind of went budget. I didn't want to go over $800, so I kind of grabbed some like older pieces or older components, but still very good and very usable, for lack of better words. First thing I used was an EVGA N4750 for the Win Edition motherboard. This is an awesome board. Basically the same thing as the 780, except for this one only supports a SLI or dual video card. So the 750 EVGA for the win. I went with the Intel Core 2 Duo processor, E8400 CO stepping. I don't know if you can see that, if it's gonna. But CO stepping. 3.0 gigahertz E8400. For the RAM, I went with the Corsair Dominator 1066 megahertz, 4 gigabytes, 2 gigabytes each stick. Really cool. Good set of RAM. And I went for the little older video card, but the XFX GeForce 9600 GT. Not as fast as the 9800 GTs and whatnot, but still pretty good. I'm actually having really good results from it with some benchmarks and whatnot. A little older, but still, again, very good. And to cool the CPU down, I used a Cooler Master Hyper 2600R. This thing is huge. It is a beast. Barely fits into the case that I'm using. I'll show you the case later on, but as far as cooling is concerned, it keeps the temps of the E8400 pretty low, considering that the Core 2 Duos run a little hot compared to other CPUs. And to power everything, I use an OCZ 700 watt Mod Extreme power supply, which is modular. Ran into a few problems with this, I'll tell you later, but for the most part, pretty good power supply to use. Pretty decent, enough power, and the modular option is actually pretty cool. Keeps your case nice and clean. And then of course, you know, I went with the Trendent Wi-Fi card or wireless network card or adapter. Okay, it was cheap. I actually bought this here locally at a store, so it was on sale. So I ended up buying it anyways. So that's it for the components. Actually, a few here. There are a few that I had that are not here, but I'll show them to you later when I show you the actual build itself. Alright, YouTubers. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.